Someone watching this got it right. Is that you? Welcome to Hero! It's again a beautiful day. Sun is shining bright in Iroland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. Hi, Hero babies. Today we're gonna make this sound, which I think is a pretty good sound. Let's see if you guess this one correctly. I'm gonna have a coffee now. See you guys later. Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. It means you made some real nice. We know most of you did not guess the sound right. That's just how life works. Sometimes there's only one winner. Every sound is a new opportunity, and sometimes there's just really easy sounds. So maybe next time you're watching this and you're winning the cash, it's just way more cash. We know that most of you are not getting it right, but don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming.